So I got the hiccups. Why you got all the hiccups? You have the hiccups all the time, girl.
Mom, the tooth fairy's gonna give Uncle a cold.
Tooth fairy?
Yes.
Did they get the tooth?
Yeah, he got the tooth out.
He got the tooth out? Oh, wow. How are we going to get rid of the hiccups for the baby? Do you know? I hear scaring. Boo! That didn't work.
Maybe stop itching.
Ticka, 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 ticka. Boo!
Scaring was for the
That didn't work.
Maybe we're
That didn't work.
Maybe
Scaring did not work, Hunter.
Maybe
Maybe what? Can't give her glasses of water.
Oh yeah.
Some people say water and sugar. I don't know.